So that's the only reason I don't have a vision, because I am a God's child and I know it's all going to be good.
Awesome.
So I am just trying to take that one step bigger in life and trying to just grow in life.
True.
हर किसी को progress करना है life में. Everybody wants to just take that one step higher.
True.
Like and everybody in any field, in every field, people just want to progress. And writing plays a major role. First of all, and hats off to our great team of writers. जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. Hi guys, this is Reem Sheikh and you're watching me on IWM Buzz.
मुझे ना यार ऐसे लोगों के साथ एक्चुअली बैठ के मज़ा भी बहुत आता है, लेकिन बहुत वर्थलेस भी लगता है कि यार हम यहाँ पे 30 के होने के बाद मुश्किल से कुछ छोटा मोटा करियर बना रहे हैं, एंड देन यू हैव लवली पीपल लाइक रीम शेख who's just like maybe extremely younger to me and already has a career that spans 14 odd years. But I think it's all in good jest. Hi everyone, this is Kunal Kothari. You're watching me on IWM Buzz, and of course I already mentioned the wonderful lady sitting with me as Reem Sheikh. Hi.
Hello, hi.
Hi. So that's pretty much this first question for on similar lines के कभी आपको लगा ऐसा बैठ के कभी सोचा है कि it's been 14 years and you are obviously still extremely young. To some extent, to some people, it's not even starting out वाला एज होता है. So does it ever feel कि नहीं यार ठीक है अभी अच्छी खासी legacy बन रही है, और we obviously you still have to keep working hard and everything,
Yeah.
but does it ever occur to you?
Like an early retirement or something?
No, of course not.
I mean, when I look back at my journey, I just have gratitude, honestly. और कुछ है ही नहीं, because इवन बचपन में वो अब जाके रियलाइज होता है, तब नहीं रियलाइज हो रहा था दैट कि एक रूम में 50 लोगों के होने के बावजूद अगर मैं आज यहाँ तक पहुँच पाई हूँ, सो हाउ बिग ऑफ अ डील इट इज़, राइट? सो फॉर मी आई एम ओनली फिल्ड विद ग्रैटिट्यूड व्हेन आई लुक बैक एट माई जर्नी, एंड आई जस्ट नो दैट के I got to keep working hard, because obviously there's a prettier face than me, there might be a better actor than me, but so because of that I got to really work hard.
Yeah.
So when I look back at my journey, there's gratitude and not like अरे बहुत कर लिया.
Of course. And coming to, of course, एक फर्जी love story, as interesting as it can be, as today, आज की thing as it can be, but my question is that when it comes to youth-based dramas, especially in this space, इतने सारे बन गए ना shows, there's been so much is already explored. But जब ये जो terminologies की बात आती है, जब Gen Z जैसे हम बात करते हैं, उनकी conversational style, उनके words की बात आती है, sometimes it goes really like अच्छा ठीक है ये wannabe बनने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. The treatment of the show is what I mean. Doesn't feel like that with Ek Farzi. And so do you feel that there is a thin line between when you are trying to try too much, yeah exactly, and just put in words for the sake of it, and how do you think that Ek Farzi stands out from that?
Writing plays a major role, first of all, and hats off to our great team of writers जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. Like जब हम स्क्रिप्ट भी पढ़ते थे तो वो स्क्रिप्ट याद करने में मुश्किल इसलिए नहीं होती थी, बिकॉज उन्होंने इतनी नेचुरल स्क्रिप्ट लिखी थी, इतनी नेचुरल लैंग्वेज लिखी थी उन्होंने फॉर अस टू स्पीक. सो in this show no one is trying to be Gen Z, no one, even though most of us are like similar age, but this one stands out because we didn't try hard to look Gen Z or be Gen Z. In fact, if you look at Kritika, she is just trying to be more mature by like being all this hoity-toity and stuff like that. She's just trying to be mature. She's trying, but she's just trying. She can't. So this one stands out because हम वो जो क्लीशे चीजें होती है जो एक Gen Z के लिए लोग बस दिखा देते हैं, we are not doing that. We've actually shown what the real world is. Correct. And this generation is facing, like social media pressure, or everybody wants to make it big on Instagram, and उस pressure की वजह से कैसे कृतिका को एक relationship fake करनी पड़ जाती है, and how because she's so overly ambitious. And she's not overly ambitious for herself, that maybe because she wants to go buy the most expensive bag, but she is overly ambitious and she wants to make it big for her family, for her friends and everybody. But in that whole progress and that process, वो उन्हीं को hurt कर देती है और वो उन्हीं से दूर हो जाती है. So that whole realization, because अक्सर हमारे साथ भी ऐसा होता है, right? Like we don't give time to our parents thinking that we are making a life for them, and
Correct.
like, you know, so we can give them the best of things, but we don't realize that, you know, how we are not able to give them time, and you know how they really crave for that time from.
True.
And तो वो बैलेंस कैसे करना है लाइफ में वो कृतिका समझती है, एंड सो it's the most realist journey of a teenager trying to make it big in the world.
True, absolutely. You know, and जितना you know मैंने आपके इंटरव्यूज देखे हैं in general, you know, कहीं कभी कोई snippet आ जाता है, for that matter your real self when you're on social media and in a reality show here and there, I feel that this is probably the most you, like the character you're playing is just not you. I don't think you would probably even remotely be in the vicinity, right? And I also remember this very interesting thing that you said in one of the interviews, that you know you envision your life that 30 tak I want to get married, I want to get married, I want to have, you know, a family. So does that change with time, you know, the more you keep working and the more you, because sometimes that can be alluring also, right?
I think it's reducing, like 3-4 years ago I would say 35, last year I said 30, now I'll say 28. No, because you know, see, I really though I'm Gen Z whatsoever, but I'm very old school, and I am someone, like I said, I do want to get married, I do want to have kids, I want like a full-fledged family, and also I know I am someone who's not so like Kritika, who will not be able to handle it all. Like some people are not able to handle it all, right? I know myself that I know I can handle it all. I can handle my career as well as my family all together, because so इसलिए मुझे ना वो stress भी नहीं है कि अगर मेरी शादी होगी तो अरे मेरी career का क्या होगा, because I know that I can do it. I can handle both, and yeah, that's actually probably the reason I'm so confident about getting married by 28.
No, of course, we manifest it. We keep manifesting it for, you know, the best things to happen, of course. Yeah, and you know, of course, Reem, you've done television perhaps more than anyone has in the recent time, right? Well, you've legitimately grown on a TV set, one would say. You know, right now we are at that phase ke the content in general is just so vast ke itne sare options hai, ye wo sab kuch, and roles, of course, a show like Farzia, of course, in that context. My question is ke of course, you know, at the end of the day bade पर्दे पर देखने का मजा ही कुछ और है, सबका कीड़ा ही अलग वो अलग उसका होता है. So do you also have that, and if so, what is that kind of a, I wouldn't say dream character, but एक envision होता है कि I want to be like this on screen. So what would that be?
You know, honestly, like people ask me that now that you've done 2 web shows in a year or something, have you taken a break or something like that? And my answer is that it's not about me taking a break, it's just about हर किसी को progress करना है life में. Everybody wants to just, you know, take that one step higher.
True.
Like, you know, and everybody in any field, in every field, people just want to progress and, you know, take a bigger step in life.
Correct.
And that's the same mindset that I have. It's not about taking a break or leaving television. It's just about I want to progress in life, and that progress can mean anything. You know, it can just. So I am just trying to, you know, take that one step bigger in life and trying to, you know, just grow in life.
True.
And that's how I actually look at it. That, you know, कि अच्छा ठीक है अब मुझे progress करना है life में. So for me, I'm just trying to progress. It's not that कि अच्छा television break ले लिया or something, because I started off with television. It's been my bread butter since the last 14-15 years. And if today I'm getting that kind of respect in the industry, that मेरे पहले web show में मुझे इतनी इज्जत मिल रही है, और you know the kind of per day I'm getting for that matter, is because I've made a name for myself in TV.
True.
And that respect I'm getting because I am already a name in the television industry. So I can never forget that or take that for granted and be like, नहीं करूँगी and all that. And so I'm just trying to progress in life. Today it's a progress from a television screen to a web screen. Tomorrow I would really want that progress to be from a web screen to a film screen.
Of course.
And that's called progress. It's not called arrogance, guys,
100%. And is there anything that you've envisioned for yourself? Because जैसे हमको लगता है हम ये बन सकते हैं या ये बहुत अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. You know your strengths very well, know better than everyone else would do. So is there any sort of a thing that this is the kind of vision I have for myself when I will be on the big screen?
Honestly, God's just been so kind that I don't have a vision. I am just he has a plan for me. I'm just following that plan. I try to walk the path that He has chosen for me. And trust me. The only reason I don't have a vision for myself is because there are times you really want to do a project and वो नहीं हो पाता है. Like वो नहीं हो पाता. You give your best performance, you do everything. वो नहीं हो पाता है. But a year later, I will be like, यार अच्छा हुआ कि नहीं हो पाया, because I knew it would have not worked in my favor. So और ऐसी चीजें ना मेरे साथ बहुत बार हुई है कि मुझे दिल से कुछ करना था, वो मेरे लिए वर्कआउट नहीं हुआ, and then a year later I'm like यार अच्छा हुआ कि I got something better in return.
True.
So that's the only reason I don't have a vision, because I am a God's child and I know it's all going to be good.
Awesome. And the cliche, लेकिन जो होता है अच्छे के लिए.
जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है.
For sure. Absolutely. Fantastic dreams.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.